Hey, Amir.
Hi, Samir.
How are you?
How are you? How's
All
going
good.
everything?
All good, man. I wanted to ask you, we all saw the crash last week in the market. Did you
Yes.
invest in anything?
Yes, of course. It was exactly the time when I received my salary. So why I'm going to lose this big opportunity? And accumulating in dips is old way for long-term investment.
That's very cool, very cool. I wanted to ask you, did you invest in equity or gold? Because both fell last week.
I have not invested, to be honest with you, in equity or even gold. I invested in BTC. I think it fallen around 20% in that day.
So you prefer Bitcoin over equity?
Personally, yes. I prefer to put more weight in my portfolio on the crypto side.
So why do you prefer to put more weight on BTC over SPX?
Because there are many advantages. So I think they're very hard. Summer, what is your idea to go inside the building and we can continue the discussion?
Sure thing. Let's go.
Yes. So the first reason is Bitcoin has a limited supply out of 21 million. And I think around 90% of all Bitcoin already mined. And the second is Bitcoin halving. Every each 4 years, we have Bitcoin halving. It reduces the block reward miners receive for validating transactions by half. So it can impact the price and pump it up.
Oh, those are some good points. Is there anything more?
Yes, of course. The third reason is inflation cannot decrease the value of Bitcoin, and no matter how much dollar is going to be printed. And eventually, I can mention that nowadays people can purchase on different websites by using BTC and other, or better say Bitcoin or other digital currency assets. Due to the safe technology in the blockchain, it is very secure and safe, and we cannot deny it. Even Bitcoin already listed in US and also UK stock exchange.
Oh, that's a lot of information. You're a geek just as normal. But personally, I would still consider Bitcoin as a volatile asset, and I would rather do a monthly systematic investment plan for dollar cost averaging.
That's a valid point. So we can say also long-term growth of any equity index is calculated as inflation plus GDP plus dividend. For example, right now the inflation in the US is 3.3 and GDP I think is 2.5 and long-term average dividend is 1.8. So you can expect annual average growth of US stock market to be 7.6%.
A lot of information, man, as usual. Thanks for it. I'll have Bitcoin for consideration to add for my portfolio.
Nice.